ever wondered what it takes to excel in the study of A-level economics? Fear not, because today we're diving into the essential skills needed to master this fascinating subject. First off, we have economic inquiries. This is all about asking the right questions, not just any questions, but ones that delve deep into the heart of economic issues. It's about challenging assumptions, exploring alternatives, and seeking new perspectives. Remember, the quality of your inquiry will largely determine the quality of your understanding. Moving on, we come to the selection and interpretation of relevant information. The field of economics is vast, and not every piece of data will be relevant to your inquiry. Learning to discern what's important and what's not is a skill that can't be underestimated. It's about sifting through the noise and focusing on the signal. Once you've found your information, it's time to use that evidence to formulate economic arguments. This is where your analytical skills come into play. You'll need to draw on economic concepts, theories, and principles to make sense of the data. It's about connecting the dots, identifying patterns, and making informed predictions. But that's not all. To truly shine in A-level economics, you'll need to analyze economic phenomena. This involves applying economic theories to real-world situations and interpreting the results. It's about seeing the world through an economic lens and making sense of complex phenomena. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the importance of collaboration and coherent communication. Economics is not a solitary pursuit. It's about engaging in lively debates, sharing ideas, and learning from others. And to do this effectively, you'll need to communicate your thoughts clearly and persuasively. In summary, mastering A-level economics involves carrying out effective economic inquiries, selecting and interpreting relevant information, using evidence to formulate economic arguments, and analyzing economic phenomena using economic concepts, theories, and principles. And let's not forget the importance of collaboration and coherent communication. So, there you have it. The essential skills needed to excel in A-level economics. It's a challenging journey, but one that's well worth the effort. And remember, with the right mindset and the right skills, you're more than capable of rising to the challenge. Happy studying!